Many manufacturing industries require large amounts of investment, but the 10 industries discussed in this video can be started with relatively low or moderate investment depending on the scale of their operations. In 2026, while some companies in certain industries are downsizing due to economic pressures, sectors serving essential everyday needs have generally shown great resilience. So in this video, we will explore 10 businesses that have historically shown relative resilience during economic slowdowns. And keep in mind that some of these businesses require technical skills, and business success depends on factors such as market demand, product quality, operational efficiency, competition, and management. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. So before starting any business, conduct your own market research, understand the applicable regulations, and carefully assess the potential risks involved. Now come, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Grocery and essential food business. Since people continue to purchase essential goods even during economic downturns, groceries and other daily essentials go on sale year-round. During economic downturns, people often switch from expensive brands to value-for-money choices, which creates opportunities for local stores and wholesalers. This business can be started as a small neighborhood grocery store, a mini supermarket, or through an online delivery model. A prime location, reliable suppliers, and prompt service are key strengths of this business. Despite the low profit margins, consistent demand can contribute to long-term business stability. Number 2. Repair and maintenance services. When the economic situation is weak, people prefer to repair old things rather than buy new ones. During such times, the demand for repair services, such as those for mobile phones, laptops, refrigerators, washing machines, and two-wheelers increases. This business requires minimal investment. Instead, it relies primarily on skills and basic tools. Providing home delivery services provides significant convenience to customers. If you provide quality service and timely completion of work, it will lead to continued referrals for you. Number 3. Affordable tiffin and meal service. Generally, people do not frequently visit expensive restaurants during an economic downturn. However, during those times, many consumers seek out cheaper and healthier food options. Tiffin services, catering to office workers, students, and bachelors, can develop into a robust business. You can start on a small scale from home and gradually build a network of regular customers. But quality, timely delivery, and hygiene are of utmost importance. Securing consistent orders can lead to a more predictable revenue stream, but maintaining it requires ongoing effort in quality and customer satisfaction. Number 4. Secondhand furniture business. The number of people looking to buy high-quality furniture on a limited budget increases significantly during an economic downturn. So, buying, refurbishing, and reselling used furniture can be a profitable business model when sourcing and refurbishment costs are well managed. Today, social media and online marketplaces have become major sales channels for this business. Individuals can often begin operations with a small initial stock, provided they possess refurbishment skills and strong sales strategies. With inventory expanded gradually, fair pricing, and a high-quality finish, it will help to build customer trust. Number 5. Home cleaning business. There is always a need to clean homes and offices. Along with that, the demand for professional cleaning services has grown in many urban markets. You can start with relatively lower capital, though you must budget for essential tools, marketing, and operational expenses. Services such as deep cleaning as well as sofa and kitchen cleaning offer opportunities to increase revenue by offering specialized services. Online booking facilities and local advertising can help attract customers quickly. When they receive quality service, satisfied customers are more likely to book repeat services. Number 6. Budget clothing business. People do not completely abandon fashion during an economic downturn. Instead, they prefer to buy clothes that are less expensive and will last longer. You can start this business by purchasing goods from wholesale markets and selling them online or through direct sales. There are opportunities for this business in small towns and local markets. Offering quality products at low prices will encourage customers to purchase products again and again. Proper inventory management helps maintain healthy profit margins in this business. Number 7. Healthcare and medical supply business. The need for medicines and healthcare products generally remains stable regardless of the economic climate. There is a continuous need for pharmaceutical products, healthcare items, and basic medical equipment. It is very important to obtain the necessary licenses for this industry and find reliable distributors. You can start your business on a small scale and gradually expand your product range. In this industry, customer trust is your most valuable asset. Don't forget, depending on the products you sell, this sector may require licenses and regulatory compliance. Number 8. Packaging material business. Even during the economic downturn, the demand for packaging materials has grown alongside e-commerce and local businesses in many markets. Items like boxes, paper bags, bubble wrap, and packaging rolls are used every day. Therefore, you can start this business through a trading model or through a small-scale manufacturing unit. There are good opportunities to receive orders from other business companies, B2B, on a long-term basis. Competitive pricing and timely delivery of products can support long-term business growth. Number 9. Digital marketing agency. While companies may cut back on advertising expenses during an economic downturn, they do not completely stop online marketing. In such a situation, small businesses often resort to digital marketing services as they are suitable for a limited budget. You can start this business by providing services like social media management, video editing, and content creation. This business can be started from home with very little investment. By delivering excellent results, you can build long-term client relationships through consistent results. Number 10. Low-cost manufacturing business. Manufacturing essential low-cost products is a business that can provide recurring business opportunities when supplying products with consistent demand even during economic downturns, as there is relatively stable demand for such items. Paper products, cleaning products, candles, packaging materials, and various household items are good examples of this. So you can start this business on a small scale with the right machinery and reliable distributors. You can gradually increase production to supply new markets. The continuous demand and recurring orders may support long-term business stability. So friends, economic downturns can also create opportunities in certain sectors for those who choose the right sectors. Before starting a business, conduct thorough market research, formulate a solid investment plan, start on a small scale, and expand gradually. The profits, costs, and success of any business depend on market conditions, location, experience, and management. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.